All right, everybody, here is my Polar High Roller Challenge. This has to be a 5-bet one with gaming and gambling. The High Winds top fans chose Polar High Roller to be the machine we do. I'm gonna start off with a 3-bet here, and we'll see what we can do on this thing, if it'll give us anything good or not. Hopefully it does, but you just never know. Gaming and gambling does pretty good against Polar High Rollers, and they're just so for me. Our time limit is 10 minutes to win. Well, there's a little money back. Got us back up to where we're at anyhow. That's a good start. We sure could use a red screen. 10 minutes of play time and see who can win the most money. He has already posted this video this week, and I do not know what he got because I wasn't going to cheat. So make sure you check out his YouTube channel, Gaming and Gambling, and see how he did. The top fans group voted on which machine we were to play, and they came up with Polar High Roller, got the most votes. We're going to do this probably a couple of times a month for a little while and see how it goes. The cards aren't looking too bad, but they're not great either. I'm going to go to a 2-bet for just a few, because sometimes, just sometimes, this 5-bet will pay out on a 2-bet pretty well. And that's what we're hoping happens. We'll see what happens. Let's give us a little bit of money back. Nothing too major just yet, but it is pay us some money, which is good. Come on now, Polar, be nice to me. If this one doesn't do good, we may switch to another one. We're going to see how, give it a chance to pay up for us. There's $10 back, that helps. There's a Polar on the line, that helps out. Tonight, when I'm recording, it's Wednesday night. I just got done with the Major Chasers May the 4th Be With You Megathon, and they are giving away $50 cash hot seats tonight. So who couldn't use 50 bucks cash? I know I could. There's no doubt about that. Come on, Polar, the cards aren't looking bad. There we go, there's a $20 hit. That helps out. Gets us a little bit more anyhow. There's another line hit with the Polar. They pay more on the line than you off the line. No red screens yet, though. We're hopeful. We're hoping for a red screen or two. Let's go to a 4-bet for just a few and see if that changes our luck any. Keep it on the odd numbers of the bet, maybe, huh? No dice on the 4. Let's go back to the 2 because it was doing better. Come on now, Polar. Let's see what you got. This one is not being really nice to me at the moment. Now, there we go, $10 back. If we dropped another Polar symbol, sure would have been nice. So don't forget, the top fans group of High Winds Casino chose the game we were going to play. We have 10 minutes to play and see who wins the most money in 10 minutes. And I bet Gaming and Gambling probably beats me. We'll see how it comes out. Well, the cards look pretty good, but it's just not, we're going to pop out of this one. We're going to hop on the one next door over here to it and see what it does. All right. Okay, here we are. Let's see what happens on this one. Give me a minute to get the money in here. Just set back a little bit so you guys will be able to see a little bit better. All right, we're gonna start this one off with a 2-bet, see what the cards look like. See if it's worth anything or not. Come on now, Polar. Be nice to me. Is not being incredibly nice just yet, but that could change. Anytime it could change. I want to say the cards look good, but it's not just not hitting a whole lot. Crazy enough. We may have to try a 3-bet Polar and see what happens. We are halfway through our time limit of 10 minutes to see who wins the most. Come on now, Polar. Let's get a red screen. Let's get something anyhow. This thing's being brutal, I'll tell you. They don't want to pay nothing out. Just horrible. All right, let's go around to another one over here. And let me get some of my free playing machines. I got some left, I think. Give me just a second here. All right, we have got all right. We're loaded in. Let's see if it'll do anything for us or not. We'll start with a 3-bet. See if that does any good or not. Well, we got a red screen run off. That helps out. Let's back this up just a little bit. Well, there we go. That helped. That helped. Now we'll just keep on going. Off a free play, no doubt. And a little bit more. Maybe this one likes me more, hopefully. I always pick the wrong machines.
Not this time.
Well, we ain't done yet. I can still lose my money. Come on now, Polar. At least we got a red screen on it. We didn't get a red screen at all on the other one. We got 3 minutes left in this challenge to see if we can beat gaming and gambling. And so far I'm $100 down, so he's probably winning at the moment. We gotta have a big comeback here. Big comeback's what we need. Come on now.
Time your plays.
Yeah, we're doing a challenge. We're doing a red screen challenge on YouTube. So I'm just recording it for that. So normally I do live streams. So we're just doing a friendly channel challenge is what we're doing. I'm gonna put this thing down to a 2-bet, I think, because it was doing well on the 3-bet and it just went belly up. Well, look, gave me single bars on a 2-bet. You just never know about these darn things, I'll tell you. Come on, Polar. Cards look good. They're good and solid. That's a promising look, that's for sure. Come on now. Got about a minute and a half or so left on this challenge. We're going to hit something big to recover. Something big, big, big. Cards look really, really good on it. I'm really, really shocked it's not doing better. But, story of my life, right? All right, we've got a little bit over a minute left. Come on, Polar High Roller. Let's see something good. We're on the clock. Come on now. It is being a brutal. Oh, there's a red screen finally. Now give us something good. We ain't got much time left. Well, that helped out anyhow. We got about 30 seconds left in this challenge. So we need to get something. We need to get something rolling this thing. We need a good red screen or two. Come on now. Go back to the 2-bet for a minute. All right, there it is. We're at 20 bucks. We put 100 in the other one, lost it. $35 of free play. End up at 20. That was our 10-minute Polar High Roller Challenge. I'll be posting this very soon.